Do you want to change the complete display of your Amazon Echo Show 5 alongside clock style and the way the date is displayed? In this video, we will show you how you can change the display of your Amazon Echo Show 5. Swipe up from the top, go to Settings, select Home and Clock. Now change the display picture, tap Clock and Photo Display. You will get all these options. You can select any one of them as you wish. You can also use your personal photos. We have a video about how you can add the personal photos. You can check it out. Select a style. We are selecting Classic. You can also edit the photo. Tap on this pane, you will get this option. Tap on background, select the backgrounds. If you select cycle, then your background will keep changing one by one, or you can select only one background if you wish. We are selecting cycle. You can also change the clock face if you wish. Tap on clock face. You'll see all the different clock faces. Check on the one you like. You can make sure what will be showed on your screen. When you're happy with it, tap save. Depending on your internet speed, it might take some time. As you can see, our display picture is changed and also our clock style. So guys, this is the way you can easily change the display picture and clock style on your Amazon Echo Show 5. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.